Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then before we will scroll we have to tap on About Tablet and keep tapping on the MIUI version in order to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our video, our tutorial about them, and we will explain more things about the developer options. Alright, after activating we have to scroll down to the very bottom, almost to the very bottom, to find additional settings. Scroll down to enter developer options, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Basically all we have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on this device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will have a chance to download and apply the update. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.